There are problems, there's no doubt about it, but largely the economy, the job side specifically, has been awesome. What gives, and is it going to turn lower anytime soon?
Yeah, look, the job market still remains incredibly tight, and there are a lot of factors going on. The first is that the rapid quit rates that we saw during COVID have really come back to pre-COVID levels. Yet there's a whole population of people, and in the recruiter index, I think 42% of the candidates that the recruiters are speaking to had 2 jobs over the past 2 years. So do you really want to have that third one? I think not. So there's going to be this reluctance to actually quit, unless, of course, there's a reason. And this reason that we just showed on that slide is we used to look at compensation and management as being the reason that people were looking to leave. But other really came up. What is other? Other is whether they're scared, whether there's a layoff coming. There's some other reason that's getting a candidate to look to leaving their job. Maybe they're worried about AI. Maybe they're worried about contract labor. And we're seeing those sort of hints and clues that's going to affect the overall job economy.
The tech trade specifically, and finance, banks and whatnot, we've heard some commentary, some allusions, if you will, to this idea that companies are pivoting resources away from certain areas of the business towards things like artificial intelligence. Is that playing out in some of the numbers that you have as well?
Absolutely. We have a partnership with Aura, and in the Aura report, we saw a real serious jump in AI-related roles in February. Those numbers were up over 16.5% from January, with the biggest sectors really being in financial services and in IT. And so we had this prediction that we made last month that we're really going to start to see people swap. We're going to see companies lay off certain software skills and replace them with other software skills. So we don't really see AI replacing people yet. But really looking at the software roles, really these companies start to really make more and more investments in AI.
Evan, how secularly significant, if we can use that term, secularly significant is this pivot in resources towards AI? You mentioned banks and tech companies right now. How forceful could it be, and how much could it impact the job market across numerous industries in the next 5 to 7, 10 years?
Yeah, huge. It's a great question. You look at what helped companies make their numbers in 23 was really layoffs, right? So companies were just laying people off, and that's how they hit their numbers. And you looked at was it Klarna 2 weeks ago reported fantastic results from shifting their customer service roles into AI and generative AI support roles, and you're just seeing this incredible increase that they had to their bottom line. Every company with a very significant size customer support group has to be looking at, gee, is this something that we could be adopting? I think a lot of the AI roles now are looking at the future and shifting those more laborious jobs that could really be taken over through a ChatGPT or AI roles.